Good morning, dear kids. I hope you all are staying in and safe. Today we are going to learn Block 3 Reading for Details. Aim. Students will be able to identify the main events of the story and put them in order. Keywords: can't, sleep, mother, father, brother, sister. Dear kids, in this blog we will read a story. Kichu Monkey Can't Sleep. So let's start. Dear kids, can you see the picture here? What is the name of the story? Kichu Monkey Can't Sleep. And who is the character? Yes, the main character of the story is Kichu Monkey. Now, can you tell me what is he doing? Yes, he is lying on the bed with his eyes open. Now, can you tell me why can't he sleep? You don't know? I will tell you why can't he sleep. But for that we have to read the story. Okay, so listen the story carefully so that you can tell me the most important things you remember from the story. Understand? Okay, so let's start. Open your English readers to the story Kichu Monkey Can't Sleep. Follow the story in your book with your fingers as I read. So let's get started. Kichu Monkey Can't Sleep. His mother is singing. His father is dancing. What is his mother doing? She is singing. And what is his father doing? He is dancing. Okay. His brother is jumping. His sister is crying. Now, can you tell me why can't Kichu Monkey sleep? Yes, Kichu Monkey can't sleep because his family members are making noise. That's why he can't sleep. Now, can you tell me who are in Kichu's family? Kichu's mother, father, brother and sister are in his family. Okay? Now we will read the rest of the story. Okay? So listen carefully. Kichu Monkey goes out. The moon is shining. The birds are sleeping. Kichu Monkey sits by the river. The fish are leaping. The frogs are smiling. Kichu Monkey can't sleep at home, so he goes out where the moon is shining, the birds are sleeping, the fishes are leaping, and the frogs are smiling. Kichu closes his eyes, and before you can say hip hip hooray. Kichu Monkey is asleep. Kichu Monkey is dreaming. He is rolling to the left. He is rolling to the right. Now Kichu is asleep. And what is he dreaming? He is dreaming that he is rolling into the river. He is rolling to the left and rolling to the right. And he rolls right into the river. Splash! Kichu Monkey is wide awake. He swims to land. He is cold. What happens to Kichu? He sleeps near the river, but he falls in the river. Now he gets wet and feeling cold. He runs back home. His mother is singing. His father is dancing. His brother is jumping. His sister is crying. But Kichu monkey doesn't mind. He pulls up his blanket and is asleep before you can say hip hip hooray. I hope you enjoyed the story, and now it's your turn to read the story. Thank you and have a nice day.